All right, let's talk about something huge. We are breaking down a landmark announcement that is absolutely going to shape the physical foundation of AI for years to come. OpenAI and Broadcom are teaming up, and the scale of what they're planning, it's just mind-boggling. Okay, let's just start with the headline number because it's a big one, 10 gigawatts. Now, to put that into perspective, that's enough electricity to power a small country. We are talking about a massive, massive investment in the raw computational power that's needed to fuel the next generation of AI. But this isn't just about a bigger number or more processing power. This partnership, it really represents a profound change in how the future of AI is going to be built. We're moving away from just using off-the-shelf parts to creating a completely custom ecosystem where the software and the hardware are designed to be in perfect harmony with each other. So, to really understand this deal, first we need to look at who's doing what. And let's be clear, this is not just one company buying chips from another. No, this is a deep, strategic co-development effort. Think of it like a Formula One team. In this scenario, OpenAI is the brilliant design architect. They're taking everything they've learned from building models like GPT-4o to design a completely custom engine, the AI accelerator. Then you've got Broadcom stepping in as the world-class engineering partner, right? They're the builder that actually manufactures, develops, and integrates that engine into a complete race-winning machine. And this collaboration goes way beyond just a single chip. We're talking custom AI accelerators. Think of them as processors built for one very specific purpose, running AI calculations at just incredible speeds. But Broadcom is providing the entire system, including that crucial networking fabric. You can think of that fabric as the nervous system connecting all the individual accelerators, allowing thousands of them to work together as one colossal brain. Without that high-speed connection, all you have is a bunch of powerful but totally isolated parts. So this raises a really crucial question, right? Why would a software and research company like OpenAI get so deeply involved in the hardware design business? Well, the answer gets to the very heart of their entire strategy. This creates what you'd call a powerful feedback loop. By designing their own silicon, OpenAI can tailor the hardware to the exact needs of their AI models. They can build chips that are perfectly optimized for the kinds of calculations their software performs, which unlocks efficiencies that generic hardware just can't offer. This could mean training vastly more complex models in a fraction of the time, or maybe even enabling new types of AI that can process information in ways we haven't even thought of yet. And from Broadcom's perspective, this isn't just another big contract. Their CEO, Hock Tan, he frames it as a pivotal moment on the path to AGI. They don't just see themselves as building computer parts, they see themselves as co-developing the foundational infrastructure for the future of intelligence itself. Now, underneath all this high-level strategy is a very practical and very pressing need. The demand for AI computation is just exploding, and the current infrastructure, well, it's struggling to keep up. This deal is a direct response to that surge. And here's a number that really puts that demand into context. OpenAI serves over 800 million weekly active users. That's not even counting the countless businesses and developers using their API. That creates an absolutely massive, relentless need for computing power that off-the-shelf solutions just can't satisfy efficiently or economically at this kind of scale. So, what's the roadmap for making all this a reality? This isn't just an announcement about some vague plan, this is about putting that plan into action. This timeline shows us that the project is already well underway. The deployment of these custom AI racks is targeted to begin in the second half of 2026, and it's going to continue for several years, completing by the end of 2029. This is a long-term strategic build-out for sure. And ultimately, this massive hardware initiative is all designed to build the foundation that's required for OpenAI's ultimate mission. Their goal has always been to ensure that AGI, or artificial general intelligence, benefits everyone. And to get there, they need an absolutely unprecedented amount of specialized computing infrastructure. As OpenAI CEO Sam Altman puts it, this is a critical step. The goal isn't just to build faster computers for the sake of building faster computers. The goal is to build the specific infrastructure that can unlock the next wave of AI's potential, turning abstract research into real benefits for all of us. This partnership really represents a major step in that direction. We're moving from an era where AI runs on general-purpose hardware to one where it runs on a body, the silicon that it actually helped design. And that leaves us with a pretty powerful question about the future. What new levels of intelligence become possible when the mind of AI can actually shape its own physical form?